and this is my closet, and I'm still working on my healthy drink. I just have to hold my nose when I drink it because the smell is just not what I would prefer. So today I have my favorite accessory box. This is the September Luxury Divas. I'm just so far behind in filming that I'll be filming my Septembers in August, but this is my favorite box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. So I'm so excited to get into it. Luxury Divas is a monthly accessory box, and I want to say it's $30, $35 a month, but if you sign up for like 3 months or longer, I think it goes down to $30. And I do have a coupon code below that'll save you $5 off on your first box. And I think that's how I got my first box, and I have not turned back since. So when you open it up, I got something in my eye. There is a card from your stylist. It's been a pretty fast 6 months, and I see that this is your last box. Oh no! Hopefully I've done well enough for you to resubscribe. It's been a pleasure. So I have to go resubscribe. Love, Marina. So there's a picture, a nice postcard. Yeah, so I signed up for the 6 months, and I think the longer you sign up, the cheaper it is. Then they always put a little nummy in there. And we got the little commercials. I don't eat these because they hurt my teeth, but I just love watching the commercials. And we love our subscribers. Please leave a review. So I will do that because, and their customer service is phenomenal. And then this is September, so it'll tell you everything that's in there, so I don't want to peek. They also have the price list, so I don't want to peek. I'm so sorry, my eye just started getting dry. Oh, I have till tomorrow to renew that, so I want to do that today. You never know what you're going to get. You do fill out a profile card. What colors you like, if you like socks, if you like gloves, if you like certain kinds of makeup. So you can fill that out. And the first thing I see that is such a keeper is this beautiful leaf necklace. They combine jewelry. I've gotten handbags in there, and you can't beat it for the price. So usually worth over $100, well over $100. And what's nice is if you find something like you find earrings and they're black, you can go look and see if they come in blue or white or all the other colors and just buy them, because we all don't get the same things in our box. So that's one nice thing. This necklace is so light, and hopefully it'll fit over my head. You can see that. Don't mean to put the ladies in your face. Love the necklace. It's staying on. Okay. And then, oh, look at this beautiful scarf. I personally don't wear a lot of scarves because since I'm retired, I don't really go anywhere. And being in Arizona, you know, scarves aren't a big thing. But I could definitely see wearing this with a sweater. We do wear sweaters. It does get cold. I mean, it gets down to 20s and 30s. So I can definitely see wearing this with a sweater. This is such a beautiful color. Then I see Lashes for Days. Lengthen and volumize waterproof mascara. And look at that case. How classy is that? So that is super nice. Then I see another bag. It's almost. It's a watch. I don't think I own any watches because my wrists are so thin that it's hard for me to find a watch. So I'm not the type that goes shopping for a watch. But this watch is gorgeous. It's in silver. I probably won't be able to get it on by myself because I'm very not coordinated. But this watch is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not a big gold wearer, so the silver is perfect. And again, my wrists are about 6 and something. And look at, oh, look at how good that looks. Oh my God. I'm just like speechless. Because it's so nice. Of course, I probably should set the time. So when people ask me for the time, I'll be able to. The only thing is it doesn't fit back in the thing, but I'll work with it. Oh, this is great. So, looks like we have maybe 2 more things in here. This might be a clothing item. Of course, they do ask you your sizes. I've gotten a beautiful fun dress in the box, and their sizes are usually spot on. I don't know what this is. Oh, looks like a cardigan. I'm wearing a sweater, but I'm going to try on the cardigan. So I'm going to put you on pause. I'll be right back. I have the cardigan on. I know I'm not in a really good spot to look at it, or for you to look at it, and I have a sweater on, but it's long. It's lightweight, but if you can wear a spaghetti strap, you can wear another sweater under it. And I'm almost 5'8", and it's a perfect length. So I'll try to get a picture of it and put it at the end of the video so you can actually see what it looks like. But it's a great color. Goes great with my fancy watch. And I think there was another item in here. It's a tote bag. These are great for the store. They're great for throwing things in. I use tote bags all the time when I go to the fruit markets. So this box, it's a 10 cactus. What can I say? The only thing that I probably will not use and do it as a giveaway or give it to somebody is the mascara, because I'm not a big mascara wearer. So I am looking for my sheets, but this scarf would go perfect. So I just need to find the right top to wear underneath it, and then you can wear this over. So that is perfect. And again, I'll try to get a full-length picture so I can include it. So let's go over the pricing. The heather gray long open front cardigan retails for $30. The beige earth tone check scarf retails for $17. The mascara retails for $10. the stainless steel mechanical face mesh watch band that retails for $30. The little tote is $20. The necklace, oh wait, the scarf is, where's the necklace? I lost the necklace. Oh, the necklace is $20. So this box retailed for $127. It is definitely worth the value. Let me know what you think. Leave comments below. I have to go so I can make sure I sign up for another 6 months. And I'm going to try to get a picture, a full-length picture of this so you can appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Or call 765-6906.